Every piece of wood in your shop has a first life. Before it was a 2x4 or a designer dining table, it was a living, breathing organism.
But do you actually know where your lumber comes from? Today, we're going beyond the hardware store. We're tracing the journey of wood. Why does walnut look like a stormy sky while maple looks like a clean slate? It's all down to geography and climate. In regions with harsh winters, trees grow slowly. Think of the grain as a tree's diary. A wide ring? That was a rainy, easy year.
A narrow, dark ring? That was a struggle. When you're looking at a piece of wood, you aren't just looking at material. Let's clear something up. Hardwood doesn't always mean it's harder than softwood. It's actually about how the tree reproduces.
Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and cherry have broad leaves and seeds with coverings, like acorns. Softwoods like pines and firs have needles and naked seeds in cones. In the workshop, this matters because of the pore structure. Hardwoods have vessels that look like tiny straws under a microscope, which is why finish differently than softwoods. In the old days, a woodworker just looked at a log and guessed. Today, we bridge the gap between the forest and the final product using tech. Before I even touch a saw, I'm using tools like Fusion 360 to respect the material.
So next time you pick up a scrap of wood, look at the end grain. Think about where that tree stood, the storms it weathered, and the journey it took to get to your workbench.
And if you want to see how we take these raw materials and turn them into precision-engineered furniture, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep making sawdust, simulated or otherwise. See you in the next one.
Okay. Every piece of wood, literally anywhere, has a first life. 1 second, because reading the script is just so annoying. I have to memorize these things and start saying it. So just give me a second. I'm just gonna start saying it in a better way, but just give me a second. All right, literally anywhere. All right, let's just start all over again. Okay, every piece of wood, literally anywhere. Before it was, what the